Here our ready-to-use concrete is arriving. The first thing that was not according to the plan, the concrete was dry. I wanted the concrete to be as liquid as possible, but they don't deliver it by dump truck. The other thing was temperature. Although they add retarders, the concrete still starts to set quickly in such a hot weather. I put the polyethylene film underneath to keep the concrete clean, so preventing mixing with the dirt of the road. And you said 81 degrees Fahrenheit is not terrible, but it's not easy also. The delivery we are seeing now is 20 minutes past 1 p.m. Quite a nice heap. So we added water to the concrete to make it easier to pour, but we had to mix it by hand. My DIY funnel is quite close, so not a big deal to shovel into it. I was not 100% sure it will work, but as you can see, the concrete flows down quite nicely. Seems like I poured a lot to the funnel, and I can hear the sound of concrete flowing in the pipe. But still nothing comes out from this end. Where did it go? Oh, here it comes. Basically everything works fine until some dry concrete gets into the funnel. In that case, it jams. My thoughts were that some vibration would help. I am trying to press the orbital sander against the pipe to make it vibrate. But this method appears to be not very efficient. The vibration is not strong enough and the concrete is flowing slowly. Now it's time to bring out the big guns. Not so very efficient also. Maybe vibrating the funnel makes more sense. And yeah, baby, here it goes. But the vibration is not necessary at all if you keep the concrete liquid enough. Maybe too liquid. But I ordered high strength concrete, and if it loses some part of it, not a big deal. Here this hole is filled enough. You see a nice picture of two guys working with concrete, but oh boy, the weather is hot. When the hole is almost full with concrete and it comes up to the top, we need to slow down a little bit. Here it is nearly enough. 5 more centimeters and it's okay. Still need some more. Concrete level is rising. And here you can see how long is the pipe. At this moment it is 5 meters. I did not show this, but when the hole is full enough, I move the 3-bar cage and align it according to the string. Seems like the hole is filling up slowly, but we just don't want to overfill it. Short break, and here is how much concrete is still remaining. Luckily, it's a little bit cool inside the garage. Few minutes of rest. We just changed the concrete transportation method. He's pulling the wheelbarrow backwards, while I'm holding it with a rope because the slope is quite steep. Gerai. We used this method for filling up 5 more holes. Didn't film that because we were in a hurry. The concrete started to set up. Now is the ta-dam time. So all is finished. All is aligned. We finished at 4 p.m. So this job took us 2.5 hours. Long hours. Let's take a look at every filled hole. Those were first 6 ones, and here are 5 more. Once again, ta-dam!